is it a necessity for the agency, and what we can bring to the small and medium Met office. So first of all, I will just give you a quick presentation of PULSONIC. First of all, I'm Arnaud from PULSONIC. So I'm an engineer. I worked there for 13 years. And the company is focused on manufacturing automatic weather station and hydrological weather station. We have been established in 1984, so we are 40 years old. We are the first supplier of the Met French agency. So we have like 1,000 of weather stations there, and we are the biggest supplier because there's 2 suppliers in France. We follow WMO recommendation because our clients are Met agencies, so we definitely need to follow them. We try to follow the guidance and try to give everything we have to have the best network for the Met agency. We also are ISO certified. So nowadays it's compulsory to be certified because many Met agencies are ISO and their supplier need to be ISO. So first of all, WIS1, so the sign-up messages, it was created a long time ago and they were doing alphanumeric messages and they have been disconnected in 2016. But still many countries are using it. It's quite incredible. Still many West African countries are using it. And they stopped 2016 and they're still using it. And they should use buffer messages. But it was too tricky for many of the countries to do it because it was different technology, it was complicated, and they prefer to stay with the sign-up messages, and regional agencies assist them to transform the sign-up messages to buffer messages to stick to the WMO recommendation and to go directly to GTS. So you have the buffer messages will stop in 2033. So the Met agency need to prepare to stop it because WIS2 is coming and is fully operational since the 1st of January. And the adoption rate is very crazy. Many countries which have many difficulties to share data manage to enter into the WIS2 system and to share the data. You can see there's many countries like in Africa where they're already sharing with WIS2 box. And I think that's thanks to WMO, because their policy is to do open source software to help the small and medium-sized weather agency to share the data. And it definitely worked out because all our station goes directly now to WIS2 box with all the clients we have and they want to share the data. It's very impressive because it's only operational officially from the 1st of January and they are already on all of these countries. And everyone has to switch to WIS2 in less than 5 or 8 years. So what we can bring from WIS2 as a manufacturer, first of all, we assist all our clients to help to integrate the data into WIS2 box. We work with WMO, we try to make everything as easy as possible. So that's very like a relationship between 3 parties, WMO, us, and the Met office. And we actually do all of this for free because we want our data goes into the system, into the WIS2. We offered also hosting WIS2 box because some Met agencies doesn't have the IT people to be able to manage it. Like in this room, most of the main agencies can, but I know many small agencies that cannot. Like I have one Met Office in mind, I have only one technician who do all the IT system, and I know he can technically deal with the WIS2 box. But the infrastructures of his country cannot, because he will be the only one responsible. If something broke down, he is ill, he will not work, and all the data will be lost and will not go into WIS2. So we do provide hosting solution to manage WIS2 box for them. And also one of the issues, we have 5 manufacturers of automatic weather station here today. Most of the Met Office have several weather station type, and we need to be able to integrate all the data together, to share it, to watch it, to monitor the networks for the technician. What we provide is a multi-brand data concentrator to collect the data from everyone, to put everything in one database, and to be able to send it either to PData, ClientSoft, or WIS2 box, and with only one interface. And you will not be forced to work with PULSONIC, you will go with SEBA or another manufacturer. Like you are not in a prison with one manufacturer. So what our key business is doing meteorological observation. So just a quick presentation, because you have seen many automatic weather stations. So we can provide synoptic weather station, which will be GBOM compatible. We can do climatological weather station, hydro-meteorological weather station, rain gauge station. We are actually we can adjust any type of sensor, we can change many things, because each Met Office have different needs, and we need to respond to this. So this is a bit more technical. Our data loggers has been developed to work in a very difficult environment with high humidity, high temperatures. And that's why we make our system works quite well in Africa. We can measure like more than 20 parameters. We can record data for more than 500 days. Actually, sometimes technicians forgot to the phone numbers of the SIM card, and the station is very far away, so they will need to wait the next maintenance to change the SIM card. So we need to be able to keep all the data and push the data when we come back and put a new SIM card. In terms of data communication, usually it's 4G now, but we also offer Wi-Fi or satellite, depending on what you need. So what's the difference between us and the others? We really focus to have like a solution that's robust. So we try to protect all the cable against animals, sand, all of this makes the system works longer. The waterproof thing, I told you already, and a quick and easy installation. That's one part very important. We need to be able to install quickly. We have seen from the presentation from Campbell before, it's challenging to do installation all around the country. So you really need to have a solution that can be carried in a pickup and very small vehicle to be able to go in a very remote area. So just to give you an idea, we can do 3 synoptic weather stations into 1 pickup. That's the idea. And for the installation, without the concrete part, is about 4 hours for installing a complete synoptic G1 compatible station. And one of our key difference will be the size of the solar panel. So we try to be very low power consumption, because the size of the solar panel will depend, people will want to steal it. The main issue anywhere, in Europe, in Africa, everywhere, you need small solar panels that no one will want to steal. For us, we have never been anyone who tried to steal it because they don't know what it is. It's a small, 15 centimeters size, very small. They don't know what it is. They used to see the big one, big panel, and they still only the big one. We also do hydrological solution. We do water level, either by radar or piezometric sensor. You can see around the middle some gauges. This is a WMO project with a rainfall, temperatures, humidity sensor, and a water level as well. So we do the installation of such a thing in West Africa. It worked quite well, and I think it was very liked by the different hydrological services. I will be quite quick with the software. We really need to be able to see the whole network of all the stations, either PULSONIC or another brand, to be able to maintain a fully working services station. Because a station needs to be taken care of. No one here, or at least I will never tell you that my weather station will work for 20 years without trouble. You will one day need to change the battery, you will need to do some services, you need to clean up the rain gauges, you need to do things. But to do things, you need to know remotely what to do. So we provide software to have a look, to understand, to diagnostic the system, and also visualization of data. We can always, with a dashboard, to see all the data, sharing several weather stations or one station, and see only, depending on what you want, you are forecaster, you want to see something precise, so you do your own parametering, and you check what you want. The technician will see something else. So it's up to you to decide what you want to see. You can always see, we can also do message encoding, so buffer messages, alphanumeric messages. We can still doing it, even though WIS2 box will, the WIS2 will take all. So we should stick to WIS2 box. And data sharing as well, so we provide solution to share the data with different client partners for the different next services. So in terms of service as all, we do installation, training, maintenance. One key difference, I would say, we are very close to our client. We try to help them. Ask all of our clients if we reply quickly and if we give assistance. Feel free to ask them. We have several in the room here, and they will tell you the truth, hopefully. And I think we provide them with very good assistance and very quickly. And we provide managed cloud WIS2 box or managed database as well for different mail services. That's all for me. Thank you very much. And if you want to talk more, I'm on the other side. Feel free to come.